Why do you think that Tinubu is better than P2B?
Okay. First of all, when I started supporting Tinubu, I made it very clear. I said I love him. Yes, I love his style. I love the fact that, I love strong men. I love focused men. I love men who can set a goal for themselves, focus on it, and achieve it, no matter how long it takes. President Tinubu is president today. In 1993, he was a NADECO member. Do you know about NADECO? Yes, he was a NADECO member. That was a group that was trying to tell the military to leave everything about leading the country, that there should be democracy. That's the group that was fighting for democracy 30 years ago. Is it 30, about 30 something? In 1993. That's over 33 years ago, yes. So you can see from there to senator, governor, leader of the party, like that, till today he's president. Do you understand? Those are the kind of people that I love to study. How do they function? Because consistency is difficult. It's easy to start something, but it's always very difficult to carry on and keep doing it. Are you with me? So I made it very clear that I have studied him and studied what he stands for, and I love him. And I said I was going to support him. And I work with God a lot. Believe me. God speaks to me. I may not look it, but his people usually don't look it. His real people. Forget the fake ones. The ones that will always tell you, I'm a man of God, I'm a man of God. The real ones, though, they make noise. The ones that actually get that God talks to. God has spoken to me about this. He has shown me who to support. And I don't mean to be disrespectful. God did not show me Peter Obi. He showed me President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and said, stay here. Give him all the support. Peter Obi is a man I have a lot of respect for. I say it all the time.
Amen.
A lot of respect. But he's not my candidate. I wish him luck. But he is not my candidate. But like I said, I wish him the very best. Same tribe.
It's all right.
From Anambra, same. I wish him the best. But final answer, he is not my candidate. My candidate is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Proudly.
Okay, my have my issue now video I just watch here where bring record told me in a my issue. Do you understand me? Only if edition are you Edochie kwuru so that na ife abu opinion and ife abu etu si wee ghọta na onye that is more ya na agwa nya support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Because in my problem anyị na-enwe na Bible onye chọkwala idozila ndị be anyị okwu ya etinye God n'ime onwere God gwara you Edochie anything. Ihe our personal opinion ya. Because he said that na God told you Edochie to support Tinubu. They know pastors support us and God told him to support Peter Obi. Man, not the same God can ekwu okwu ya. Do you not understand? So now they will be God who are aside. Unu put unu ekwu uche unu. And the go onye Igbo ga-abịa efu onye Igbo support Tinubu. Ine criticize ya na drag onye stop it. Anyị ncha niile ama nwe the same opinion or not possible. Unu kwere ndị Yoruba na support Peter Obi. Do you understand? This is not only support Peter Obi was Sabo, no agent of the North. No. Lapo ụmụnna anyị asị na fa na support na ha bụ city boy city nke nwa movement lapo for onye ọbụla mebu uchie mana if I suppose itinye anya na ya na bụ ka enwe ya na-akpọ free and fair election dada atụcha vote anyị ncha niile protect vote anyị onye tishi ebe ahụ egbuli ya isi ị na-aghọta ife a na-ekwu lapo fa onye ọbụla mebe uchie Obi Kubana chief priest fa ncha niile ịghọtago fa na control mmadụ onye ndị Igbo adịdo ndị Igbo duru almost 50 million na Nigeria or even more than that. Ka ọ ga-abụzi na ọfọ nwa ga-abịa decide mụ na gị na-abụ ife ga-aba our faith. No, ọ bụrụ na ada eme. So ị na-adara gị fa adara gị zaba because o nwekwara ndị Yoruba na support nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Peter, nwee ndị Benin, nwee ndị North. So yeah, politics. Ịghọtago onye ọbụla na opinion ya. Ekenekwenụ m unu ma help m share this video. Mana unu na-achọ ịtụ asị unu na-atụ, wepụnụ God aside. Ịghọtago kwuo na ifu bụ opinion unu ya wee nke mara ebe unu si apụta. Ka emesịa.